Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2010 Nissan Xterra. So, basically based on the exact same platform as the Frontier, which I've reviewed a bunch of. This is the SUV version. This one came in on trade, hasn't been detailed, going straight to auction, not sitting back there. This one's gonna definitely need a little bit of a heavier detail, but it runs and drives pretty darn well. The only thing is the cooling fan, big mechanical fan, is stuck on. So you're gonna hear that. But judging by the success of some of the older vehicles on the channel, I've taken some of the cars that we get that are going to auction that still run and drive pretty well, and I'm gonna feature some of those because you guys tend to like them. Got a flashing airbag light, so there's that. No backup camera, of course, but let's go ahead, go for a drive and see what this thing's like on the road. 176,000 miles on this Xterra. Overall, it just needs a good detail, no major rust. I love that mechanical fan. It sounds like an airplane. Not sure. Oh, that's half that. Thing's got a lot of get up and go for what it is. Now when I'm sitting here, until I look in the mirror, I feel Frontier. And to me, until the 2022 redesign, the Frontier's been the exact same since like 05. This thing ain't half bad. It runs and drives pretty well. Brakes feel decent. Okay. It's not bad. The cooling fan is hysterical. Oh, it just won't shut off. And trust me, I've had this thing where the customer drove an hour to get here. I appraised it and it still didn't shut off. So it's stuck on. Apparently it's a very common issue with these. But whatever, the thing runs and drives pretty decently. In terms of features, amenities, it ain't got a lot. It's got AC. That's a good feature. It's got four-wheel drive, 4-low. So pretty good off-roading vehicle. I've seen lots of clips of these going to town in Moab and stuff like that. judging by the whooshing sound of the exhaust, where it's not the exhaust note is not loud. The sound of air rushing out of the tailpipe is extremely loud. And the cooling fan, this thing just sounds so freaking cool. Literally. Also, yeah, that doesn't really work. It's either low on fluid or some lines pinched somewhere. So, been driving through windshield spots. Little clunks. Whatever. 2010 with 180 on the clock, essentially. I'm okay with it. Whee! It kind of sounds like a supercharger. It's a supercharged Xterra, which I'm pretty sure was a thing. I don't know for this year, but I'm pretty sure previously there was a supercharged Xterra. Oh man. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.